Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, see how I made a simple pumpkin plaque with cardboard and peel and stick paper. It's alright, stay a while. To start this project, you'll need the appropriate size cardboard for the size pumpkin you desire. I went to the internet to find inspiration, and this is where I landed. I already had the peel and stick paper for this project. I drew an outline of a pumpkin using the picture as a guide. I cut out the pumpkin shape and used it to trace another. I wanted this plaque to have some more thickness to it, so I cut narrow strips of cardboard and then cut the strips into small square pieces. I marked the pumpkin shapes inside and marked one of the shapes with X's. The X's are where I will glue the square pieces I cut. I glued 3 pieces together using school glue. Then I glued them on each spot marked with an X. I applied glue on the square pieces, then placed the second cardboard cutout on top. I closed the gap with masking tape. Then I used a water and school glue mixture to adhere paper scraps over the masking tape. I thought that this would harden the edge and make it easier to paint later. I let it dry for about 2 hours. I applied the marble peel and stick paper and then cut. Then I cut a piece of peel and stick paper with wood design and placed it on the center. I covered the back with the same paper. For the edge, I painted it black first so that the gold paint I wanted to use would show better. I applied 2 coats of gold. Allow at least an hour between all paint applications. And here it is styled. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.